guys, this is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, well, my name is Nidhi and I'm a Delhi-based makeup artist. In this video, I have created this makeup look. Well, I am going for an Indian wedding, so I'm wearing this green sari and hence I wanted a little bit of green color in my eye makeup look. So what I did is I added a green Kajal pencil in the lower lash line, and this look is super simple, very easy to achieve. So if you want to learn this, then keep watching the video. Alright, so the first step before you start any makeup is to make sure that your skin is absolutely clean. So I have washed my face. Alright, so now the next step is to use a toner. So I'm using this toner from Perenne. After the toner, I'm going to apply this Strobe Cream. This is from PAC and the shade is Pink Light. You can take any moisturizer as per your skin type. I have a dry skin, so
I generally use a cream which gives me that nice moisturization.
So now let's just start with the eyebrows. I'll be using this product from Benefit. It's called Benefit Pomade and the shade number is 4. So I'll be using this to fill my eyebrows. Alright, so let's go on to the eye makeup now. And obviously it's very important to just prime your eyelids before you start applying eye makeup. So I'm just applying some concealer on top of my eyelid. This concealer that I'm using is from Makeup Studio. Always remember to set the concealer or the eye primer with some powder so that your eyeshadow doesn't crease. So I'm using this shade from Anatasia Rivera palette. Now this shade is called Coastline. So this is like a nice peachy shade. Okay, so I'm using this for my crease and I'm using PAC brush 391 to apply this shade. Now I'm taking a flat brush and applying this shade called Yacht. And just applying this on my eyelid. Going back with that blending brush and taking this dark brown shade, and I'll be applying this on the outer corners. Now I'm taking this Kajal pencil from Faces and applying a really thin line just on my lash line, like a very thin liner. I'm using this angular brush to just make that liner very neat. So I'm just making sure that it's like a very straight line, because it gets difficult to, draw a very thin and straight line with these pencils because of the thickness. So it's always best to just use a brush and make your liner or the line very neat. Time for some mascara. So this mascara that I'm using is by Faces. It's called Ultimate Pro. The lashes that I'm using today is from PAC. These are number 53 and they're very nice lashes. They're very light, not at all heavy, and I personally love this number. The size is also it's not too big, it's just perfect. I have a video on my channel on how to apply lashes on your own. I think you must watch that because I get a lot of messages on Insta saying that how do you apply lashes, it's so difficult. So it's just about practice, girls, and I'm sure that video will really help you. At least it will tell you how you should select your eyelashes and what size it should be, how to trim them, how to apply the glue, how long you should keep the glue and stuff like that. So do watch that video. I'll put the link in the description box. Alright, so since I'll be applying a green eyeliner in the lower lash line, that's the reason I wanted to keep The colors on my eyelid, very neutral, very soft, nothing too much. Either I like to, you know, do a soft brown smoky eye whenever I'm applying a colored liner in the lower lash line, or just, you know, keep it very simple and neutral colors like what I've done today. Let's go on to the face makeup. Alright, so I've already moisturized my face, and the foundation that I'm using today is from Makeup Forever. These are HD sticks, and I always mix two shades. So the shade numbers that I'm mixing are Y335 and Y365. Okay, so these are the two shades that I'm mixing. Very easy to apply.
So this one is Y335.
Using a round foundation brush to blend this. This foundation is really creamy, and I think it's great for somebody who has dry skin. If you have an oily skin, then I would say probably you can avoid this one, because it really makes your skin also, can you see my skin has already started shining. So this is something I think people with really oily skin should avoid. However, I have dry skin, so it works perfectly fine for me. My forehead is a little tanned after my Udaipur trip, so I am using the darker shade, which was Y365. So I'm just applying that now here. Right, so this foundation stick, as I said, gives a very dewy finish, a very dewy look. So if you have an oily skin, then be a little careful when you are applying this. You can powder your face or something. Now I'm using this concealer from Tarte. This is shade medium. And I'm just applying it here under my eyes. I'm taking this translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and I will apply this under the eyes and just leave it for some time. So I'm leaving this powder for some time, probably for like 5 minutes or so. So this will definitely help my under eye look much more brighter and will set the concealer and the foundation. Okay, let's go on to the green color. So this is a pencil that I'm using. This is from Revlon, and the color is obviously green. Let me see if there is any name written on it. It's called Glazed Green. So this is the pencil, and I am applying this. So applying this color in the lower lash line. Beautiful green color. Taking a pencil brush and blending the color properly. In the waterline, I'm applying this pencil. This is from Sephora. It's called Infinite Beige. So this is the beige pencil that I am applying in the waterline. So I really want that green color to pop, and that's the reason I'm not applying a black kajal in the waterline. Applying a skin color kajal like a beige pencil or a white pencil will make your green color pop up, and it will look much brighter. Now let's just remove this powder that I had kept under the eye. I'm also applying little bit powder all over my face, because as I said, this foundation is very creamy, so I need some powder to set this. Some mascara in the lower lashes. Alright, for contouring my face, I'm using this product. Now this is again from Benefit. It's called Hoola Bronzer. Now why I love this product is it gives a very nice soft contour to your face. It's not too harsh, and I think the shade just goes so well with our Indian skin. have a really big forehead, so this is something that I really need to contour. Using this beautiful pink blusher from MAC. Highlighter again from MAC. Now this is soft and gentle. Bring it here, just above my cheekbone. Cupid's bow to the brow bone, and also you can put some highlighter here in the inner corner. Now lipstick again, I want like a very pinkish lipstick, so this is what I'm using. This is from PAC. The shade is called Mehr. It's a beautiful pink, like a nude pink lipstick. Okay, I want my lipstick to look a little more pinkish. I'm not happy with the shade, so I am using, now I'm mixing this shade from Inglot, and the shade number is 421. So this one is like really bright pink, so I'm just mixing this on top of this MAC shade. So here guys, this is the look. I'm wearing this green sari and a pink blouse in contrast, so hence I wanted a pink lipstick. The last thing that's left is to spray this mist on my face. This is for normal to dry skin, not for oily skin. This is from Tatcha, so this is going to make my face look more dewy. That's about it. So yes, this is my final look. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, I am actually loving the green color that I've added here. It has made my eyes look so much more brighter. So play with colors, experiment with these colored pencils. They look really nice. Thank you for watching this video guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and keep supporting, keep showing your love. Take care guys. I will post a full picture of my look here. Thank you for watching this once again. Take care. Bye.